Hello, welcome to another episode of Barlow's TV, your local landscape and garden resource. I'm Stephen Barlow, here in the Garden Center, today to talk to you about chrysanthemums. So here at Barlow's, we grow over 35,000 mums. We grow them right here at Barlow's in Girt or on our farm out in Wall Township. And believe it or not, we start growing these mums the end of May, beginning of June, and now's the time we start to sell them. So a little bit of tidbits for you guys on mums. Mums are actually flower at different times of the fall season. We have, like this yellow one right here, an early blooming mum. This one started to bloom around the beginning of September, and it's going to flower all the way around to the middle of October. So most mums bloom for 5 to 6 weeks. We have this one right here, which we call a mid-season, where it's starting to flower a little bit, and then we have some that are really tightly budded. We call them late season. So once they start to set flowers, you know you got about 6 weeks of them to look beautiful before they start to just fade away. The flowers will start to turn brown. That's just what happens with mums. Now, in the past, we all thought mums were perennials. With the new breeding of mums, most of the mums are bred for to have a nice strong habit and nice color, and most of the time they will not come back. So what we recommend is you plant them, you enjoy them this year, and then you take them out of your ground. You can plant annuals in there in the spring. Now, simple care of mums, you don't really need to fertilize these. We've done all the fertilizing they could possibly need for the rest of their time. So you don't need to fertilize them. All you need to do is make sure that they're well watered. Now, throughout the fall, sometimes we get really hot days. Make sure you water them heavily those days. We water these mums every single day. There's no need to deadhead or pinch or anything else with the mum. Just plant in the ground and enjoy it. And you also might want to do is you might want to incorporate with your mums some cabbage or kale. I'm going to do another video on cabbage and kale because they're great plants that extend the life of your fall season. So those are some just quick tips on mums. So when you come to look for your mum, you might want to get one that's full in flower or one that's a little tighter in bud. So enjoy your day and can't wait to see you here at Barlow's.